Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your profile picture into classy black and white. So if you want to give your profile picture a classy black and white makeover, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use Gemini AI to instantly transform any photo into a stylish and professional black and white portrait like this. So here is one of the example, the result created by the prompt that I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is just open Gemini AI. You can use it on Gemini or Google AI Studio like I do in here. But now let's use on Gemini. So what you need to do is just click on the tools. Once you open Gemini, choose the nano banana in here and use this prompt. Transform the image into a vertical portrait shot in 1080 and 90/20 format, maintaining the exact same facial feature, and convert the photo to black and white with dramatic studio lighting and deep shadows to create editorial look. And the subject is wearing a sleek black suit, so this one is optional. You can also change the outfit if you want to. And the hair is styled in loose low updo, shot with a 85mm portrait lens, ultra sharp facial detail, smooth skin texture, and soft gradient background blur. And the lighting should mimic high-end studio photography with contrast and mood. Clean, stylish, elegant, and powerful. So now you can just upload the reference image. You can use your selfie or your full body if you want to. So I'm going to use this picture right here. Click on submit and let's just wait until Nano Banana create the image. Okay, so now the image is done and this is the result. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.